Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture we will discuss about how to draw an ellipse by concentric circle method. So for that I'll open a new drawing tab. So I have clicked here. So now here a new drawing sheet is open in our Autodesk, and directly you can go for the page setup. So page setup will go for the MB setup, or you can go for limits, both is appropriate. So now enable the paper space, no, and enter a unit types, that is metric, enter the scale factor, that is 1, okay, enter the width, paper width 420 and paper height 297. So by that I have created a drawing space in this drawing sheet. So now we'll see the question, how the question is given. Now this is the question given for to draw the ellipse by the concentric circle method. So the question given here, the major axis of an ellipse is 100 mm and minor axis is 70 mm long. Draw an ellipse by concentric circle method. So one major axis given 100 mm and minor axis given 70 mm long. So by this information we need to draw an ellipse. Okay. So here first what we'll do, let once check it other properties of this AutoCAD, like O-snap setting. O-snap setting, first we'll check it whether all are selected or not. In this, nearest can be ignored and parallel also can be ignored, but if you want to give all also, there is no issue on that. Okay, and once select this one, then we'll go for this line and select a line. Now this line, you see, it is not coming horizontal or vertical, it is moving anywhere. So we can click for the F8 in the keyboard, so that ortho will be on here. Okay, and dimension, major axis how much, 110 given, so let's take 110, enter. Okay, and one more line we can draw with a height of 70. Okay, and enter. Now what I'll do, I'll select this line and I'll just drag it, and I'll keep on the center point of this, midpoint of this line. So now our two lines are joined, and immediately we can go for the circle. Let's select the circle and specify the center point of the circle. So this is the center point of the circle. Now we need to draw 35. So first one clear. Another one circle need to be drawn, and that radius will be our 50. 55. That is 110. So that's why that is 55, not 50. Yeah. Now by this we have completed this. Now this line not required, and this one we can delete, and this one we can drag it to the midpoint, and this line I have to rotate throughout this circle. So what I'll do, I'll select the array command for this array, and we need to select the polar array and select the center point. Then we can see automatically the 6 divisions are there, because it was already given in this system 6 by default, 6 taken, but we can change it to 8, 12, how much we want. So I have changed this to 12 divisions. Now what I need to do, I have to draw lines. From each of these I have to draw horizontal, vertical lines. Sorry, enter, select this, just to draw some small line here. Again from this draw a vertical line, horizontal line, and join it. Similarly again this point we can draw a line, and from this side horizontal we can join it. Now this extra part we can trim it, and here also extra part we can trim it. Okay, now these things what we can do, we can copy it, and we can mirror it. No need to copy, we'll go for directly mirror command, mi, enter, and we can select this point to this point. Erase source object, no, we don't want to erase the previous object, we need to keep that one. So again we can select this, all these 4 elements what we have drawn from this vertical and horizontal lines. Now again we'll go for the mirror, and now you can again paste it here. Okay, by that we have got all these points, everywhere we got it. Now what we'll do, we'll mention the text for all these points. We need to mention the text. Let's see, starting from the first point. So here these are the first point, one. Okay, here 1 point, we'll give text, single line text. Now let 3 0, check it how it is coming. Yeah, okay. Now this will give 1 2 3, and this is 4 5, and this is 6 7 8 and 9, this is 10, and this is 11, and finally this is 12. Similarly here it will be 1 dash, and this is 2 dash. Similarly here 3 dash, and 4 dash, here 5 dash, and 6 dash. Continuously we need to mention all this text here. 9 dash, and here it is 10 dash, this is our 11 dash, and finally this is 12 dash. And the center point we can give here O point here, and this line we can give A, and this is B, and this one we can give C, and this one we can give D. Any other points are there? A, B, C, D. Yeah, all these points I think we have covered. Now finally we need to join all this meeting point what we got here. So for that what we'll do, we'll select the spline curve here, and by selecting this one we can change our color of this final ellipse by changing this settings, display line node setting. Now select this spline. Now starting from point from here, and now we can off ortho off, so that we can easily draw first, third, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and finally 12. So okay, so this is our required ellipse. Now we have to give this dimension of this from here to here 110, and similarly again we can give the dimension from here to minor axis dimension 70. This one otherwise we will give not this way, it is overlapping each other, we will give in this way. Okay, both are correct. So this is our required ellipse by concentric circle method. So I hope everyone understood this, how to draw this ellipse by concentric circle method when the major axis and minor axis are given. So we can complete. And one more thing, finally also we need to give all these points what we got here, like P1, P2, P3, P4, all these points also need to mention up to P12. So I hope everyone understood about this. If you are having any kind of doubt or problems or queries are there, you can give a comment on the comment box. Okay, thank you all of you.